Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom manufactured home in Leisure Manor 55 Plus Park. This home has a wonderful view from the front-facing windows. There is brand new Hardie Plank siding all along the exterior of the home and a nicely landscaped yard to enjoy. This home is equipped with a huge laundry/utility room, a new partial roof, newly painted cabinets and interior, and new flooring partially complete. The primary bedroom has an attached full bathroom with a huge tub, and a large walk-in closet with new shelving. Storage shed on the property with carport and additional storage. Park approval is required to purchase and buyer must verify all. Come see this perfect little slice of heaven today.